Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn about the suffix ly for adjectives. Words like friendly, lovely, and lonely all use this special ending. The ly suffix turns nouns into descriptive adjectives. The ly suffix takes a noun and makes it an adjective that describes qualities. Friend becomes friendly, meaning having the qualities of a friend. Love becomes lovely, meaning full of love. Lone becomes lonely, meaning feeling alone. The rule is simple. Take a noun and add ly to make a descriptive adjective. Friend plus ly equals friendly. Love plus ly equals lovely. This pattern works with many nouns to create new adjectives. Here are more common ly adjectives. Manly comes from man and describes masculine qualities. From baby, we get babyly, meaning like a baby. Flowerly comes from flower and describes something flowery. Family relationship words often use ly. Brotherly describes brother-like behavior. Fatherly means having father qualities. Motherly describes caring like a mother. In daily life, we use many ly adjectives. Ghostly describes something like a ghost. Kingly means royal like a king. Princely describes something grand like a prince. Family members create special ly adjectives. Sisterly means caring like a sister. Grandfatherly describes wise like a grandfather. Grandmotherly means nurturing like a grandmother. You now understand ly adjectives. Remember the pattern. Noun plus ly equals descriptive adjective. Practice with friendly, lovely, lonely, and all the examples we covered today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.